Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited about today's video, which is my black owned businesses haul. Back in June on my rainbow makeup video here, I mentioned that I am supporting the Black Lives Matter movement, and I think it's really important to support all these businesses. It helps to close the racial wealth gap. It also supports local communities and it helps create job opportunities within these communities, among other benefits. I will link an article down below if you want more information or are interested in learning more. In support, I purchased products from all these different black owned businesses, from beauty to food, and all vegan and cruelty free. And I finally received everything. Some things came in later due to higher demand and also because of coronavirus. So I finally got everything and I can't wait to share them with you. I will link all the products and information on the description box down below. And now without further ado, let's begin. It's really hot in California today, so woo. All right, so as all of you know, I start with my sunscreen. This is the Black Girl sunscreen and it's an SPF of 30. All right, so this was founded in 2016 by Shante Lundy. She developed this sunscreen to hydrate and protect melanated skin without leaving a white cast. This one says here it's infused with jojoba and avocado. It's vegan and reef safe. It's water resistant. It's ultra sheer, no white residue, and fragrance free, which is my jam. They also just recently launched their kids sunscreen line and they call it BGS Kids. So I can't wait to try that on my kids. But I wanted to show you how this applies and let me tell you, it's amazing. This one has a cast of 0. If you haven't seen my other sunscreen video here. And you put it on. This is such an amazing sunscreen. Let me tell you, it's very hydrating. Perfect for me because I have drier skin. This is something I would put the days I'm not wearing makeup. It gives you such a dewy effect to your skin. It's just amazing. Let me show you a close up. And believe it or not, it's a drugstore product. They sell it at Target. So it's really accessible and it's affordable. Definitely recommend you try it. Because this is so moisturizing, this might be a little heavy on really oily skin. So maybe you could try this during the drier winter months. You know that your skin needs extra hydration, but I think it might be a little too heavy for the summertime on oily skin. Just wanted to say that, but otherwise it's amazing. And now we're gonna go on to makeup, and this brand is called Mented. Mented is short for pigmented, and it was founded in 2017 by KJ Miller and Amanda E. Johnson, who were looking for the perfect nude lipstick, which sparked the idea of this brand. And what I purchased from them was their everyday eyeshadow palette. Look at this beauty. Look at these colors. And their nude nail polish collection, which is this one right here. Look at that. The colors are amazing. The pink is pinkish, then the middle one is Yes We Tan, and the last one is Brown and Bougie. These colors are amazing. I don't have them on anymore, but I've been rocking them for a long time. I already took them off. I think these colors are perfect for all year round. I mean, I've been wearing them for summer and I'm still gonna wear them for winter. And now I'm gonna try the palette. I'm gonna apply my makeup off camera and I'll be back to try these eyeshadows. All right, so now I'm back and I'm ready to put on the eyeshadows. So for my transition shade, I'm gonna start with color Light Beige, which is this one here, the middle one, right here. This is a big mirror. These blend really nice. Okay. And now I'm gonna go with Upside Down Brown, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna put that one in the outer corner of my eye. These are really pretty shades. And I'm gonna put on my lid this one right here, which is First Date, and it's a shimmery eyeshadow. And I'm gonna use my finger. Very nice. And I'm gonna use this eyeshadow here, which is Red Bone, and I'm gonna use it in my under eye. Right here. This is such a pretty palette, and I just love all the neutral tones in it. It's so cute. I mean, you could create very neutral eyeshadow looks with this palette, and I might actually do that, but I will do that on my Instagram account. If you didn't know, you can follow me over there. I will post more looks with this on my IGTV or my Insta stories. And maybe I'll do reels. So I'm gonna put my mascara, my lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, so now that I have my lashes on, just wanna give you one more look of the eyeshadows and what they look like. Very pretty, love it. All right, and now we're gonna move on to the next item, which is also makeup. These blushes are from Color Rain, and these are the two that I got. So Color Rain was founded in 2013 by Lorraine R. Dowdy, and she left a high-powered job to actually pursue her dreams of creating makeup that included shades for people of color. Her goal was to create a beauty line that was very unique and that broke all beauty barriers. So I got the two blushes, and this one here is the Just Peachy. It's a focal point highlighter. And the other one that I got is this one, Color Rain Power. And this set here is called the Shots. One is a shimmer blush and the other one is a matte blush. I'm gonna use the peachy on this side and I'm gonna use the matte one on this side. Ooh, they're very pigmented. I'm gonna start very soft. I can already see it. Ooh. Oh yeah. Whoa. So cute. It's like a corally peach. Very nice. Wow. This is super pigmented, so I will start light and then build on. But it's a nice color. And now I'm gonna try the other one. We'll call the Shots, and I'm gonna try the matte one, which is right here. So now I'm gonna dip it and apply it. Ooh, these are super pigmented. Wow, these were really pigmented. They're amazing. I think they will stay on all day. This is a little pinkier than this one here. This is more peachy, but it's really, really nice. So I like them both. I'm just gonna add it to my forehead, a little bit on my nose and my chin, just to blend those colors in. Awesome. And now we're at the fun part. I got lipsticks, and I got them from Propa Beauty. Look at these. Look at the packaging. Look at these. I got 3 different colors that I'm gonna try. And this is a brand that was launched this year, actually, in April of 2020, in the middle of a pandemic. Besides being a Black-owned business, it's a woman-owned company, creating beauty innovations to empower women everywhere. I love the packaging. They're so nice. So I got 3 different colors. I have Victress, Driven, and Her Magic. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Victress. It has a scent like caramel. Love it. This is such a nice color. They're so creamy. It feels so good. They're really hydrating. I'm very impressed. I really, really like this lipstick. All right, now I'm gonna go on to Her Magic. All right, this color is awesome. They're both really nice so far. It feels good. It was so easy to apply. Just such a great formula. I can't emphasize enough how much of a great quality of lipstick this is. But now I'm gonna try the last one, which is the darkest one, and it's called Driven. So it's darker than this one. I'm in love with these lipsticks. Look how pretty this one is. I just love the way they apply. Wow, so buttery. They're just great lipsticks. Definitely recommend you try them. It's really warm in here, so I had to turn the AC on. So if you could hear it, please excuse the noise in the background. Hopefully you won't hear it. And next is Bubble Babe's Bath Company. This is a makeup brush. So Oh, he smells so good. It was founded by Nikki Davis in 2010 after she started experimenting with formulas to soothe her son's eczema with natural ingredients that will heal his eczema quickly. This brush soap is vegan and is amazing. You can also buy refillables, so you don't need to get rid of your container. I believe once the soap is gone, you could just buy the refillable and pop it back in and just keep reusing the container. I think it's awesome. Definitely check them out for your brushes. And she was kind enough to upgrade my order to a large one, so thank you, Nikki. Now we're moving on to jewelry, and I got 2 pair of earrings and a necklace from Maya Made This. The pair that I'm wearing is from her. Look at that. Also this necklace here, and this other pair over here. Aren't they beautiful? So Maya Made This was founded 3 years ago, which that would be 2017, by Maya, and she's been selling her jewelry on Etsy. Maya has been a jewelry designer for the past 3 years, and all her designs are handmade. I'm gonna try these on so you guys can see them. These are so beautiful. I'll keep it on for the next half. So definitely check out her Etsy shop. I'll link all her information down below. She has really beautiful designs. So the next one is Symphony Chips. Oh my goodness, those chips were delicious. I don't have it with me, but I'm gonna insert footage here of the time that we had them. They were so delicious. They began as a spice company before being founded in 2017. In order to sell their seasoning, they would sample it onto vegetables. And it wasn't until they actually started sampling it on homemade potato chips that they knew that they had something going on. People were asking, where can we get these potato chips? I ordered their mixed flavor pack, which comes with 3 originals and 3 smoked. I would say that the smoked one was a little bit more spicy. It was a little more spicy for my kids, but the original was perfect. It's just so unique, the taste. I can't even describe it. Totally different than what I've tried so far as potato chips. And they're vegan friendly, so I highly recommend you try them. So next brand is Maya's Cookies, and today is America's #1 black-owned vegan cookie company. In her website, she tells the story that as a vegan, she had a sweet tooth, and she had not been able to find that perfectly delicious self-baked gourmet vegan cookie. So she spent years crafting her recipes, and what I got from them was this box of cookies that it was called the Mother Load, and it had all different types of cookies that they offer, and they were amazing. It was incredible, the variety of different ingredients on each cookie, which I thought I would not really like because I'm kind of picky with cookies, but it was delicious. Definitely recommend you try them. I can't wait to get more. And last but not least is Walker Noble Studios, and I got these beautiful prints from him. So on their website, their mission says, our mission is to connect beautiful work of art with enthusiastic new owners. As a black-owned company, one of the guiding principles of our shop is that everyone should be able to enjoy art. Walker Noble Studios is a convenient and interactive space for both art enthusiasts and collectors to find pieces that cater to a wide array of tastes. He also wanted to add, and I quote, as an African American artist, it is imperative to me that our voices are heard in all spaces of expression. I stand in solidarity, not in silence, in the fight against systematic racism and injustice. He's such an amazing artist. His work speaks to me, and I'm sure to many. My first order came damaged, which it was these 2 here. So he was kind enough to send me a second set, in addition of 2 other prints, which I really love. Look at these. And this is a cactus. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. All of these prints are 12 by 16. And the reason why I got these 2 in the first place was because this reminded me of a place my husband and I went for our honeymoon when we got married, and it was the Rainbow Mountain in Peru. I believe Walker had some inspiration from it. I just love it, the way he translated that into art. It's just amazing. And this one was because I always love cactuses. They remind me part of my childhood. My husband loves them now that we are here in California and we see a lot of them. It's just so beautiful to me. And when I saw this artwork, I knew I had to get it. I'm starting to plan for my gallery wall. My walls here are naked in my apartment, so I can't wait to display these in there. So go check out his artwork. It is very inspiring. So this concludes my Black-owned businesses haul video. I hope you enjoyed all the products in this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. I encourage you all to check these companies out and try them. And And if you have any other suggestions on other Black-owned businesses that offer vegan and cruelty-free products, let me know in the comments down below. I would definitely love to check them out. And if you're new, thank you for stopping by. My name is Ida. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit the notification bell to let you know when my next video is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. You're so frizzy today. Don't worry, it'll come together at the end of the video. You wanna say hello?
Hello.
I'm doing a picture. Don't take my picture.
One watermelon? Can you get the watermelon ring? Watermelon.
Cut the watermelon in a minute.